Hi guys, my name is Danielle and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be jumping rope for 10 minutes every day for a full 2 weeks. Day 1, I weighed in at 183.6 pounds. And day 1 was not easy, you guys. I was jumping way too high and I was out of breath and I kept stopping and starting over. On the 3rd day, my legs and arms were sore. I woke up that morning and I was so confused, like, why am I so sore? But that's because jumping rope is a full body workout. On day 4, I noticed that my energy levels increased and I was sleeping like a baby at night. So what my routine was, I would do my 10-minute jump roping, which would be kind of a warm-up to my regular 1-hour home workout routine. I noticed that my overall mood improved and I look forward to jumping rope every day. Trust me, there were times where I wanted to quit, but I just kept on telling myself, Danielle, it's only 10 minutes. On day 7 of my first week, I could jump longer and faster, and that's only because I built up endurance. So it do get easier, you guys. Like that 10 minutes started going quicker and quicker as time passed. Here's some tips that you guys can utilize during your jump rope journey that I learned during my jump rope journey. So the first tip I'll give you guys is to jump rope on the balls of your feet, you guys, and make sure you have proper shoes that are supportive and have a thicker platform. Don't jump rope too high. Just relax. Like, you don't have to jump rope super high, especially if you have knee problems like I do and you're heavy set like I am. You don't want to put too much weight on your knees. Don't swing your arms and shoulders too much, you guys, and use the correct rope length. You want to position your hands slightly above your waistline and get into a rhythm. I really recommend listen to your favorite songs. Practice, practice, practice. I swear to you, I used to jump rope as a child and I'm thinking, okay, this won't be too bad. You guys, it will get easier, but when you start off, it is not easy, okay? So be kind to yourself. You're improving. Just keep going and practice. Another tip that I'll give you guys, and this is not really for guys per se, it's for my ladies. Make sure you're wearing like a really supportive sports bra and high-waisted leggings. That way you don't always have to stop and like pull up your pants from jumping like I did. It's like a big distraction. I don't think you can burn actual fat from jumping rope only for 10 minutes for only 2 weeks. But I do think jumping rope is a great way to lose weight. Like if you jump rope for 30 minutes every day for 8 weeks, I'm pretty sure you will burn fat. That is a guarantee. But this challenge was fun regardless. I'm really proud that I stuck to it, and I definitely will be incorporating jumping rope to my regular workout routine. Diet plays a big role when it comes to losing weight, and what I did for this 2 weeks is I was OMAD, which is 1 meal a day. So I fasted for 23 hours and I ate during an hour window, and this is a picture of one of my meals, and all I did was portion control, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more weight loss transformation videos, because I'm planning on creating more videos like that until I reach my goal. And like this video if you found it informative or motivational, and share this video with somebody you know who needs a little bit of encouragement on their weight loss journey, because we all need a little bit of encouragement. And don't forget, you got this. It's all a moment. Don't overthink it. Just breathe and know that you are making it through. You're strong enough, okay? Comment down below. I really want to know, are you guys working out during this quarantine, or are you eating Oreos in bed? I don't know. Yeah, until next time, my name is Danielle. Bye.